everyone. For those who are new, I'm Monica. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make easy, delicious, satisfying Zen rice paper rolls. These are perfect for a quick and healthy snack or appetizer. Stay with me, okay? Let's start by gathering our ingredients. We'll need 15 to 20 pieces of rice paper, 150 grams cabbage, 100 grams firm tofu, half a tablespoon cornstarch or chickpea powder, 50 grams dehydrated shiitake mushrooms, 1 medium-sized carrot, 50 grams beans optional, and a thumb-sized ginger. You may add garlic, onion leaves, or egg if you are not a Zen-style vegetarian consumer. Next, some white pepper, salt, soy sauce, and roasted sesame or cooking oil. And don't forget to prepare some hot water, a deeper platter or a tray, and a big flat plate. After all vegetables are cleanly rinsed and strained, slice your cabbage, tofu, and mushrooms thinly. Slice the beans thinly as well. And then rinse, peel off, and grate carrot, or you can thinly slice it. Either way is fine. Mince the ginger. Mix cornstarch with a tablespoon of mushroom soaking water. We have all the ingredients ready. Heat a pan at medium heat and get ready for cooking the filling. Heat some sesame oil in a medium-sized pan. Drop your minced ginger. Saute for a few seconds. Then add the mushroom. Stir-fry them until shiny and golden brown for about 10 minutes. Leave them for 2 to 3 minutes in between to get them hydrated and fragrant. Then continue saute them for even toasting. After that, switch off the heat and splash some soy sauce. Coat them well with the sauce. And set aside. Meanwhile, in another big pan, heat 15 ml cooking oil. Drop beans into the hot pan. Cook them for about 1 minute. Add carrots and cabbage and saute for about 2 minutes or until slightly softened. Add the already toasted and flavored mushrooms. Mix and incorporate them well. Add tofu and stir fry for a minute. No need to add water to prevent mushy fillings. Sprinkle some salt. Mix well. Now we can drop the starch by making a circle motion and switch off the heat. Incorporate the ingredients well. Finally, garnish with some pepper. It's done, and next we are going to prepare the wrappers. Pour warm water with temperature around 40 to 60 degrees Celsius into a platter we have prepared. Take a piece of rice paper with rough surface facing up. Soak it for 20 to 30 seconds or until softened. Press it down a little to make sure it is completely covered by the water. Then place it on a clean surface. Add a spoonful of the filling to the center. Fold it starting from one of the corners. Roll it up, making sure to seal the edges. You can add more filling if you like. Let me show you several times so that you can learn how to wrap the fillings with the super smooth, thin, and slippery rice paper. We need patience and a heart full of love in order to make a delicious meal for our loved ones. By the way, do you know the original country of this popular cuisine? Please share it in the comment box, okay? Or let me know if you are from that country. Oh yes, you may have some varieties for the fillings. Sometimes I add the rice noodles in the vegetables, or I will place a layer of seaweed before I wrap the fillings with the already soft rice paper. You can also put a piece of lettuce and some sauce before you place your fillings. So you may play a bit with variations after you have made it for a few times. You may add some hot water if you feel the water in the platter is not warm anymore. This snack is one of my favorites at home. If a friend comes to visit, this is one of the snacks I will prepare. And later, I'll show you there are 3 different ways on how to warm them before serving. You can eat these rice paper rolls right away, or you can cook them. You may either microwave them for 15 to 20 seconds, or you can also pan fry them at medium heat until bubbling and a little crispy. Another method is by steaming them for about 10 seconds. Serve your delicious rice paper rolls warm. Enjoy them with your favorite sauce, but they go well with chili sauce or black vinegar. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. If you like my cooking, don't forget to like and share it. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit subscribe for more deliciousness. See ya in next episode.